here. Jim is a little bit crazy. He's from Michigan and his first time in the Pacific Ocean.
Yep.
We brought him to Marine Street because he said he was an animal.
I got you.
Look at these guys, look. Yeah. Love those guys.
First time in the Pacific Ocean, right here.
Floating around.
Yeah.
Floating around.
Good man.
Floating around.
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day.
This is how we finish up the day with Jim.
Yeah.
Carne asada burrito, La Jolla, checking it out. Right there. Yep.
After a hard day of surfing, playing in the ocean, and it was a jacuzzi.
That's right.
Life don't get much better than that.
Look at that.